I've learned through experience that taking a case to court is storytelling. But to get that story, I need to be able to sit down with my client to hear their story. My name is Corey Walsh. I'm an attorney and founder of Walsh Law PLLC. I'm also known as the Legal Dad. My inspiration to start this law firm was my own personal experience dealing with child alienation. My background is actually construction. I experienced a divorce which ended up turning very toxic. I spent 5 years in the family court system myself, paying attorneys, until one day I just ran out of money and I couldn't go on because of the financial barrier to stay in the fight. That day, I decided to quit everything, return to school in my mid-30s. I graduated law school, and my mission is to work with parents who are experiencing the traumatic event in their lives by being separated from their children. The kind of cases that we work on here at The Legal Dad primarily are with parents having legal issues, gaining access to their children, whether it be custody issues, visitation issues, parenting time, child support. We do also take on dissolution of marriage cases. If there isn't a robust parenting plan in place after a dissolution and the children start to be used as weapons against the other parent, this is where the Legal Dad specialises. Our core value is the parent-child relationship. From personal experience, we know how that bond can be broken, so we strive to work with the parent who is having issues gaining access to their child so that we can help them through the process in a very empathetic, efficient manner. Our approach is one-on-one. We have continuous contact with any client we have in our office, whether that be just a text message or an email, but we keep our clients fully informed on each step that we are taking throughout their case. So we're always available to talk to our clients, not just on the legal matters, but also the emotional matters. Every result we get here at The Legal Dad changes lives, not just the parents' lives, but also the child's life. The child didn't choose to be part of the argument. They have every right to have access to their parents. We did have one case where Dad made a mistake. There was a police report. But because of our expertise and our honesty with the court, we explained this to the court up front before the opposing party had an opportunity to tell the court about the police report. Before we went to court, I did consult with other attorneys in the field, and they all basically said there was no chance that we were going to win. But because we were honest with the court, when the opposing party brought up the same issue, the judge just waved it off and said, "They've already told me about it." And we ended up winning. And it was just a crazy feeling, so it was, for Dad and for child. My aim is to serve as many people as efficiently and effectively as possible. And to do that, I plan to grow this law firm, not just in one state, but in many states. The help is needed for people who have nowhere else to turn. And that's what The Legal Dad is going to do. If you're experiencing issues gaining access to your children, please visit my website, thelegaldad.com. There are instructions on how to schedule a call with me so that we can help you move forward as efficiently and effectively as possible and get you back in your children's lives.